Bring it down easy, watch the edge! All right, secure the straps now, hurry up!
Today, I'm taking you inside America's biggest garlic factory, where millions of fresh garlic bulbs are transformed into premium garlic powder.
Everything starts right here in these fields. Each garlic bulb is carefully grown, monitored, and tested before harvest.
Before any garlic enter the production line, it goes through strict quality testing. Experts check moisture, texture, and overall health of
keep coming straight. Watch the side, watch the side. Okay, stop right there.
This is where large-scale harvesting happens. Advanced machines pull thousands of garlic bulbs from the ground every hour, while workers ensure
Got it. Next.
Once harvested, the garlic is quickly transported to this massive processing facility. Speed is critical to maintain freshness.
Keep it coming slow right there. Set the brake. Okay, chock's in place, you're secure. Easy now.
Got it! Got it!
The throughput rate is too high on line 3. We need to reduce the speed by 15%.
Okay, reducing speed now. Confirmed.
This batch is coming through exceptionally clean.
Yes, the drums are working perfectly.
Now the garlic has officially entered the factory. Here it begins its first stage of processing, where dirt, debris, and impurities are
Another bad one here. Brown spot. Okay, drop it in the chute. Keep going.
At this stage, the garlic is thoroughly cleaned, peeled, and sorted. Advanced machines and skilled workers work together to ensure only perfect clove. When peeling, the garlic is sliced into thin pieces and carefully dried. Removing moisture is essential to preserve flavor and extend shelf life.
Particle size is optimal. Aroma is spot on. The color reading confirms the quality. All parameters met.
This is the final transformation stage. Dried garlic flakes are ground into a fine, consistent powder. Advanced grinding
Did you catch that dented one on the right?
Yeah, already pulled it.
good.
From fresh garlic in the fields to finely processed powder, this is how one of America's largest factories delivers quality at scale.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.